Now I want to talk about the question number 4 is what is the difference between SAS HD, SATA HD, and SSD HD? So here we can see the basic features of what we call the uh, hard disk of uh, between a different type. For example, SATA technically I think introduced in 2003 because SATA replaced IDE or PATA and usually used in that generation, like in the early generation of the computer. We usually use this for the customer PCs that have the max speed of the 6 gigabyte per second and have the like the rational speed of the 5.4K until 7.2K RPM. And the cost basically relatively cheap because is what usually used by the customer grade. Now we have SAS or Serial Attached SCSE, SCSI that introduced in 2004 is basically the enterprise version of the hard disk interface, like HDD interface. This type usually have dual port connection that make it like a little bit redundant, like a lot of redundancy. And they support 10K or like 15 until 15K RPM for the HDD drive, which is like much faster random access than SATA HDD. Now, why this is not used by the customer PCs? Because the cost is high. Usually, SAS type usually used in the data centers like database or maybe in the RAID uh, uh, RAID configuration. And the last, we have what we call the SSD. What is SSD is solid state drive. Now, in the current generation, SSD is basically everything. It's in all device. And basically like what can I say, like the most efficient use of the memory for now. SSD use what we call the NAND flash memories, which is no moving part. And why this is better? Why this is much better? Moving part in the general hard disk, like in the HDD, is basically what's making it can read write your data because it's gonna read in the disk. But the disadvantage of this is when, for example, there's one little uh, something in the disk, like you have a scratch, for example, just a little scratch in the disk, and say goodbye to your data. It's basically almost, it's hardly recover. It's no, it can be recovered, but it's really hard because every time you try to open the disk itself, you have the higher chance of like destroying all the hard disk. Like basically, it's just corrupted. Now, this is why the non no like the no moving part itself is really good and have a good reliability. Now, SSD itself have SATA SSD that limited to 6 gigabyte per second, and but we also have the what we call the NVMe SSD that can be up to like 32 gigabyte per second. Usually, like the compared to the HDD, SSD itself have the extremely high IOPS, like the random ops, so make it much better. And right now it's like common in everything. It's like common in laptop, common in desktop, and server. Now, why we not change everything to SSD? Again, the cost itself. While SSD is much more reliable, like in the hmm, much more reliable in the like in the uh, error rate and like have a good reliability because there is no moving part. The cost itself become problem because HDD generally is cheap for like for the SATA at least. And there is also have the problem that sometimes SSD is failing, no, is falling fast. Sometimes uh, it might become problem when you have like the RAID configuration, and that's why uh, server sometimes still use HDD to have a backup of everything. But again, for the transfer rate and read data, SSD is the best for now. I think that's all for question number 4. Thank you.